Today I'm doing a video on leaky spokes on a tubeless motorcycle tire. Now I'm sure this will work on any motorcycle, but I'm specifically talking about KTM adventure bikes. It's kind of a common problem on the KTMs. I see people buying KTMs and they're having tires leak. I ran into the same thing. It was one of the problems I had on my KTM. It would lose like 5-6 pounds a day. So after like 4 or 5 days it was flat. And on the KTMs they have like two rings. It's like I forget what it's called. It's like a metal ring. A rim ring, I think they call it, and then there's a rubber gasket, and it basically seals the spokes from leaking, right? So this is my solution on how I fix all that. This is what I'm using. Stands, no tubes, tire sealant. This is for bicycle tires, tubeless bicycle tires. But this stuff works really good. I didn't come up with this idea. Somebody else gave it to me on one of the Facebook groups. But because I ran into the same problem and my tires wouldn't hold air, and like I didn't want to take it to the dealer because I had enough trouble with the stupid dealer here in Vegas. Stands, no tube, tire sealant. And it works. I've tried it. It worked good. And you can get this stuff on Amazon. It's like $3 a bottle. You can go to a bicycle store, a local bicycle store, they carry it usually, or some form of it. I just used this, I liked it, it worked. The guys at the bicycle shop said, oh, it won't work, but it does. All you gotta do, remove the tire cap. I have a Schrader valve remover, so you gotta take the Schrader valve out of the stem. Let all the air out, and then you just stick it in there and push the whole bottle inside, right? Squeeze the whole bottle inside. And then you put the Schrader valve back in. Make sure the Schrader valve is nice and tight. Then we're gonna fill it back up with air. And then when you got your proper tire pressure, just replace your cap. And you need to go for a ride, probably more than 25 miles, because that stuff gets in there and it needs to like roll around and seep into all the little crevices. Like I said, I did 20 miles and I checked it overnight and it had lost a little bit of air, but not even half as much as it was before. So I filled it back up and rode it some more, and then it held the air the whole time, the rest of the life of the tire. Put it in there and then go for a ride, let it get all around the tire. And some people are gonna say that's warranty work, you should take it to the dealer. Some people are gonna, take their rims off themselves and check everything. Some people are gonna pay to have that done. I tried to have that done and I thought, that's a waste, I'm just gonna run the tire. But I think this is the easiest way to do it on your own, for sure. I'll put these in every tire that I have when I put a new tire on, just to make sure that it holds air and I don't have to check it constantly. Now I think this is a very affordable option, a very easy option, and you can carry it with you. You can pack this in and help you. I don't know it's gonna prevent you from getting a flat, but if you bend a rim and you get it close, maybe you can, but it definitely helps with the rings if they're not on the KTM, not set up right. So that way you get full air all the time. It holds air all the time. I've seen it on a lot of the KTM Adventures, 1290s. When you first buy one, it's something you need to check. Make sure that your tires are holding air. Some people have had a lot of trouble and didn't realize it, and I didn't realize it at first, but I didn't go that far, so I was able to sort it out without tearing the tire up or anything else. $3 Amazon, affordable, packable. It's a good solution, I think. I hope that helps somebody. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. You're gonna see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.